This cat walks around the block without a leash. Jeepers. He's a good boy.
He won't walk with a leash.
He won't walk with a leash, but he'll walk without a leash. And we're going for a walk around the block. Come on, Gracie. She's calling pee-pee. And all of our neighbors thinks it's so cool how he follows us and he doesn't need a leash. They say, is that your cat? Whose cat is that? I said, that's our cat, and his name is Jeepers. And he's a good boy. That's Miko. He's a Lhasa Apso. That's Gracie. She's a, what is she?
Yorkie.
What kind of Yorkie?
A little Yorkie.
A little Yorkie. And this is Mr. Jeepers. Walk, walk, walk. Walk around the block with mom and dad. Walk, walk, walk. Walk around the block with mom. No, let's go for that walk. See? And he won't go too far either. He doesn't go out by the street. He stays. And if we walk too far, he starts crying.
Yeah, but he'll go all the way into those buildings.
Yeah, he'll go all the way over there. Well, you want to go this way? Okay, let's go this way. Come on, baby.
Come on, go this way.
Jeepers.
Nico doesn't want to
Wherever
go
we,
that way.
Nico don't want to go that way, but she want to go that way.
Come on, Gracie.
We're gonna go back this way. Up, we gotta go back. This is where I gotta pick up. Hey, stop it! I told you. Stop it! This dog has so much wool. I told you to stop it. Oh, the baby. She's a good baby. Let's go get Miko. Let's go get that Miko. Let's go get that Miko. Oh, she's the baby. Who's the baby? Jeepers. Is he peeing back there? That's what he does. Okay, baby. Let's go. Yep. Bye, Jeepers.
Isn't it funny when they
Watch
start
her
to
come.
walk slower?
Come around the corner. Oh, there he is. He's a good boy.
They start to walk slower when they know that the walk's almost over.
Oh, we can walk longer. It's a beautiful summer
Well, I don't
day.
think he wants to walk longer. I think he just wants to enjoy and savor the last moment.
Well, he's a good boy. Watch, see how there's a car coming? I don't know, man. Jeepers. He's smart.
He's very aware.
You know, we gotta get spray paint that glows in the dark and put a stripe on his back or something.
Yeah, 'cause he rips off
So
his
he
collar.
glows. Because he always rips off his collar. We put a collar on him 10 times. He keeps tearing it off. How does he get it off, though? Shouldn't we put it on a little bit tighter?
I'm not a fan of collars. You want
Yeah, but look, we got a cat running around outside.
I know, but every cat that I've ever had that's had a collar on has gotten it caught on their mouth. So I've come home multiple times and the cat's collar's like this.
Stuck in his mouth?
Yeah, because he was an outside cat. He's a stray. He doesn't understand
Oh,
how to
he's
wear
a
it.
good boy.
We took him in and we let him live in and out because
Jeepers.
that's the only fair way to do it. He loves being outside.
Yeah, but if something happens, no one will know. Look at him.
I mean, this cat won't let anybody touch him.
I know. You can't even get near him.
No, he's an alley cat, man. This cat's a boss.
He's a good boy.